morning, students. Good morning. How are you all? Fine. That's good. Hope you all are safe at your home, isn't it? Yes. Are you all attending Victor's channel classes? Yes, isn't it? Yes. Very good. Are you all seeing social science classes in our Victor's channel? Yes, that's good. Okay. Okay. Now, today we can study social science. Are you all ready? Yes. Okay. Okay. Before moving to the class, please take your attendance, please. Roll number 1. Okay, there are 2 absentees, isn't it? Yes. Okay. What happened to them? Don't know. Okay. Okay. Now we can start our class, isn't it? Yes. Are you all ready? Ready. Okay, fine. That's good. Had you heard about economics? Economics. Economics. Yeah? Yes. Okay. Then can anyone say what is this economics is? Okay, that's right. Yes, it's an art of science. Okay. It's related with the production and consumption of our societies. Okay, that's also good answer. Then any another answers? It's all about the economic activities. That's also a right answer. Okay. Okay. Now we can do one activity. Are you all ready? Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Before going to do this activity, I will divide into you several groups. For grouping, you can take the numbers like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Take 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's good. And all the numbers 1, please come and sit on the right side, first row. Okay, that's good. And all the number 2, please be seated on the right side, second last bench. Okay, that's good. Okay, very good. Now all the group number 3, please come to the left side and sit on the first row. Okay, very good. Now all the group number 4, please be seated on the left side on the last row. Okay, hope you all be seated. Is it? Okay, very good. Now we can do the activity. Are you all ready? Yes. So here I will give you activity card. In this activity, the activity is you want to define the concept economics. Okay, define economics. That's the activity. And in this activity, I had given some clues are there. Okay, using these clues, you want to connect or definition or you want to prepare the definition for this economics. Are you all ready? Okay, I will pass this activity card to your groups. Okay. You all can discuss in your group and you can write this definition. We'll give you 1 minute for doing this activity. Okay, let's start doing this activity. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? Anybody finish? Anybody? No? Okay. Okay, we'll give you some more time. Okay, now stop please writing. Okay, now we can look whether your answer is right or wrong. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. Now please look out this chart. Economics is the study of science which deals with the production, exchange and consumption of various commodities in the economic system. Okay. Then what is economics? Economics is a study of science which deals with the production, exchange and consumption of various commodities in the economic system. Okay. How many of you got these right answers? Okay. Only 2 groups got written this right answer. Okay. That's very good. Okay. Can anyone come forward and read this definition once more? Okay, you please come and read this. Economics is a study of science, yes, which deals with the production, exchange and consumption of various commodities in the economic system. Okay, that's very good. You can go to your seat. Okay. Now, I think hope you all understand about what is economics, isn't it? Yes. Okay, I will explain it once more. Actually, economics is the science of art of science that studies or that deals with what all things? Production and exchange and consumption. These are the 3 main points, that is production, exchange and consumption of various commodities in the economic system. Production, consumption and exchange of various commodities in the economic system. Okay, hope you understand this one clearly. Okay, I will explain once more. Please listen carefully. Okay, economics is the study of science that deals with this production, exchange and consumption of goods and services in the economic system. Okay, Now please take your notebook and write the heading as economics. Okay. Now please write the definition for this economics. Okay. Economics is the science of study. Economics is the study of science which deals with the production, exchange, consumption of various commodities in the economic activity. Okay, hope you all write this onto your notebook, isn't it? Okay, can I rub it? Yes. Okay students, now we can do another activity. Are you all ready? Yes. Okay. In this activity card, I will show you some pictures. Okay. You want to identify, you want to observe these pictures carefully and says what these pictures is saying. Okay. Okay. I will give the activity card. Okay. Start thinking what are these pictures saying about. We'll give you 2 minutes. Anyone find it? Yes, some are saying that there is agriculture is there. Okay. Then you had seen farmers. Okay. Then any other groups? Yes, production is there. Okay. And yes, some goods and services is there. Okay, that's good. So, in an economy, we can say that there are different various activities are doing, isn't it? Yes. Production is there, consumption is there, distribution is there, exchange is there, exchanging of goods and commodities. All the activities are doing in this economy. So now we can see what are the major or fundamental problems faced by an economy. Okay, fundamental economy, we can see that there are various types of problems we are facing, isn't it? Yes. So, in that economy, there are some important or fundamental problems of economy is there. Does anyone knows what are these fundamental problems? Does anyone knows? Okay, then I will see. There are mainly 3 types of fundamental problems. Okay. Okay, the 3 major problems or fundamental problems faced by the economies are, first problem is what to produce. Okay. The first problem is what to produce. Second problem is how to produce.
Whom to produce?
And the third problem is for whom to be produced. So, hope you clear that the three major or fundamental problems of an economy. The first problem is what to produce. Second problem is how to produce. And the third problem is for whom to be produced. Okay, understand? Can anyone come forward and read these things? Can anyone? Yes, you please come and read this. Okay, fundamental problems of an economy. First problem, what to produce. Second, how to produce. And the third, for whom to be produced. Okay. So, the first problem is what to produce. What is what to produce? In that problem, it mainly exists what commodities or at what quantities these goods and commodities want to be produced. Okay, so the key factors were what are the commodities and what are the at what quantity we want to produce. Okay, hope you understand. The second problem is how to produce. So in this how to produce, it's mainly saying about two main things. One is how we want to produce these goods. One way is this using the capital intensive technology. Okay. And the second way is labor intensive technology. So now we can discuss about these two. What is capital intensive technology and what is this labor intensive technology. Okay. Now what is labor intensive technology? In the labor intensive technology, there we are using more numbers of labors. We are using more labors and only less technology we are using. So that is called a labor intensive technology. Hope you understand. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. Now, what is capital intensive technology? In this, capital is to be used more than labors. So, there is more capital are using for the production and consumption of these goods and services, and there is only less labors are using for this production and consumption of goods and services in capital intensive technology. Hope that both this capital intensive technology and labor intensive technology is clear, isn't it? Yes. So mainly in how to produce, there we are thinking about in which way we want to produce these goods and services. Mainly using either using labor intensive technology or either by using capital intensive technology. Okay. And the third problem is for whom to be produced. In this, we are mainly discussing about for which all the sections of the society we are producing these commodities and goods. That's mainly we thinking on this for whom to be produced. That is for which sections of the society we are producing these goods and commodities. Okay. Hope you understand the three fundamental problems faced by an economy. First one is what to produce. Second one is how to be produced. And the third one is for whom to be produced. Hope it's clear to all. Is there any doubts? Is there any doubts? You can ask me. Okay. No doubts are there. Okay. Now, I will give you a homework. Okay. You want to do it and show me on tomorrow's or next classes. Okay. Okay. Please note down. Write a short note about the central or fundamental problems faced by an economy. Write a short note on central or fundamental problems faced by an economy. Okay, hope you all noted it. Is it? Okay. Okay, we'll see you on the next class. Thank you.